Alright guys, I got your weekend motivation. Well, not motivation, my philosophy. And now, this is honestly, I'm just gonna get down to business. I saw this recommended video and it keeps popping up and it's saying it's exposing the Furu Ricky Gutierrez. And now, I have made a video on the past, and honestly, I don't necessarily agree with his trading strategy, but there's a key. It's why he's so successful. And instead of I've already commented, that I used to make those videos on certain people because I was highlighting how people just simply use a name and they say stuff, and especially if you say scam, exposed, this and that, he's this, it's drama, and people, it's 2019, right? And that's what I saw this channel doing. And I want to highlight the positive of what Ricky does, and that makes sense why he's good at what he does. And I think it's just trading where I think the guy is successful, and this is why I'm saying it's the weekend philosophy video, because simply there's something to take from that. And I think it's why he's successful is a lot of the reason why a lot of people are unsuccessful. And simply it's because he's so positive. I wish I could be as positive as that dude. And really, you could tell he's a lot of people even say he's a good guy. I don't really think, we've all seen some, shady people, even people who don't even show their face in videos and weird stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, there's a lot of characters in the trading world, and you could really tell. It's not hard to tell. Even if somebody's acting, I don't even think they could act like that. He's positive. That's it. And that is related to being successful, even at trading. If you have that attitude. I was saying though that's the key to trading. I think he could have been doing penny stocks. He could be trading how he trades, and it could be any way, shape, or form. But if he was staying positive, how do you react to losses? How do you react to being down? And again, the thing that video highlighted, it was why does he sell a course? Honestly, everybody even asks if you're good at something to do it. And I'm seeing 2019 and even how things have shifted. It's like a book. Again, if he just did what he did and did it in a book, the difference is he's making YouTube videos and putting his information and his story out differently. I don't think you could really knock that. Especially, look at guys like Tony Robbins and other people, and honestly, they don't really even contribute half that to people, society, or some people. I'm not saying those guys are bad at all, but hopefully you see the point. But staying positive and being positive, I think that'll get you a long way in anything. So that's what I think is good. And another thing, after I admired that about him, I like what he was doing, and I finally took the time to look into his videos a little bit. And again, only thing I disagree with is going long on crazy levered ETFs, very, very simply, and even if you do go long on it, I just think as long as you're accurately aware and disclosed of how they operate, and I encourage you guys just read the filings on them, and understand how they are supposed to move in design, then go feel free to do whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? You guys are all adults and investing, and even if you lose, you'll learn something from it. And I think that's dependent upon your attitude. But I did admire some stuff, and people even criticized him for the compounding, his strategy, and really what he's saying, going for small percentage returns. That's something, you can't knock it. That's what I've recently been doing with the account on Robinhood, and I just think it's just mind-blowing, because I think, I've said, and I've been way more aggressive in my tone towards it. I just didn't like his trading style, but you guys have seen me, I'm working on my communication here. But I think it's crazy people are knocking him, but at the same time, I'd say I take that with a grain of salt, because I've seen people do it to me, and you could see someone's channel and people's agendas and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, take information from wherever, where I'm saying. And I heard Meet Kevin say that, the real estate YouTube that I said I've recommended him in the past, that, he said just take little pieces of information from everywhere and do your thing, and you're supposed to put all that information together to form your own opinion. So I think that's great. And yeah, so that's my philosophy for you guys. It's about him, but notice people now. Really, this is something on positivity that really blew my mind, is you see people literally go look at guys like Jay-Z, P. Diddy. My favorite, honestly, is Will Smith, and you see some of these people, it sounds like they're just literally they're so positive. It's not like people are saying this by coincidence. You know what I'm saying? It's not like this positive, you know, it's soft, it's this, is that. No, like, look around. These people who have reached certain levels, it's just a certain level of understanding when realistically, if you are able to remain positive, you can accomplish anything. And it's so just like, it's so cliche. I hesitate even saying it, just because, you know, I'm also very logic and realist driven, you know. Again, the Dunning-Kruger effect, that's what that other video brought up. I'm aware of that, you know, but there has to be a balance of, again, your intellect, but then not giving up. Just because, you know, it's not, yeah, sure, you could go, you might think you're better at something. That's your ego, you know, you're ego driven, whatever, drop that. But even then, that doesn't mean you shouldn't pursue something, nor does it mean you should continue to work better. Honestly, if you could realize, in the purpose of the Dunning-Kruger effect is that subjects, if you are able to realize that, okay, even after maybe I did fall victim to that bias or even psychological effect, that the whole concept is that person who realizes that if they keep practicing or learns how to practice the right and proper way, then you could build up your intellect. Intellect, sure, some things are natural and God-given, and some of you have IQ levels, but a lot of it's experience and exposure. So again, I think the people who fail at trading, business, entrepreneurship are the people who get over negative, or their attitude quickly change, or it's very dependent upon the people who will do something only if they see a result. And that's something, you know, I've seen, it goes back to even Ricky. I've seen that kid make videos when he had less subscribers than me, and, you know, I didn't have time for stuff, and, you know, that guy, what was he getting out of it? You know, he wasn't always making money off of courses or this and that. He committed to something, he committed to trading, he stayed positive, whether it was the ups or downs, he's still doing it. And, you know, go take that and apply that to anything, and you'll be successful. But clearly there's tiers to it, and how there's tiers to how positive you'll be and how good you are and how people even stay with it. But I think the more positive you are, the longer you stay positive, I think the curve will slowly start bringing up your performance level, because that's just key to it. And it's kind of, you could say, statistics, a numbers game, whatever you call it, but at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to. So I like that philosophy. I'm all about that. I want to know what you guys think, you know. And, you know, I brought up that person. That video came up on my recommended because all of you were watching it. It was like that one video I made with girls and stuff like that, because you guys are watching it. So it's clearly, you know, people click this and interested, and I know this, and, you know, I'm saying what you could get out of it, what you could take for it. So I love you guys. I'll leave it there for the most part. Yeah, check out the end screen, the channel, all that. And also, yeah, I'm going to see you guys Monday. Peace out.